When we launched the Autoline Drill Guide a couple years ago, it didn't take long for customers to let us know that the target lines engraved in the base were their favorite feature. When we started working on Auto Angle, we wanted to make sure that feature worked just as well. Ben's virtual axis solution made that possible. But you don't have to rely on crosshairs alone. The fence for the Auto Angle fits on all four sides and can be attached to the fence rods in different ways to provide the ultimate support for whatever job is at hand. With the optional flip stops and extension rods, you can easily position a hole a set distance from the end and edge of your stock. The included button stops attach to the bottom of the base to instantly locate the center of the board's edge, and they're milled with V-cuts to make it simple to locate the base on the apex of round material. Let's see just how easy it is to drill perfect holes in furniture projects. Line the index marks in the Auto Angle base with the layout lines on your project. If you're working close to an edge, don't worry, it only takes 3 of the 4 marks to get perfect alignment. If you're drilling larger holes, you can add a couple clamps if needed. Set your desired angle on the protractor base and drill away. Auto Angle delivers drill press accuracy wherever you need it, on the job site, on projects too large to get to a drill press, or in place of a bulky drill press. Speed up production, work safer, and improve your accuracy with Auto Angle. Order yours today.
Craig multi-purpose project blocks offer a great way to support, hold, and work on your projects anywhere. They'll quickly become an essential tool to help you with finishing, routing, sanding, clamping, cutting, and creating a project workspace. They do this by elevating what you're working on above your work surface. That's a simple idea, but multi-purpose project blocks take it to a higher level with clever features that make them very versatile. One of the first features you'll see is one that makes multi-purpose project blocks truly unique: retractable painting points. When you're ready to apply paint or finish, simply twist the project block and the point rises up. It's covered in Craig's Grip Max material, and the point locks in place. A set of 4 multi-purpose project blocks can hold up to 200 pounds on the points. With the points up, you can rest your workpiece up out of the dust and debris on your work surface, and you can reach the face and edges. Plus, you won't have to wait for this face to dry before moving on. Just flip your piece over, and it will rest on those small points, so it won't stick to the project blocks or ruin your finish. That same Grip Max surface covers both faces of the project blocks too. Grip Max on one side holds the blocks in place on your work surface so they won't slide around. On the other side, Grip Max holds what you're working on in place. That means you can do things like sand without your workpiece moving around and without having to clamp it in place. Not only can you sand the face of your projects more easily, you can also get to the edges. Elevating your workpiece while also holding it securely in place also makes it easier to route edges by providing clearance for the router bit, which usually hangs down too far and would hit the surface below. Elevating also makes it easier to clamp your workpiece, since you can get the clamp head underneath, and that's handy whether you're drilling pocket holes, assembling your project, and for many other things. And if your work surface gets cluttered, like they all do, you won't have to search for open space. Just rise above the mess using multi-purpose project blocks.
This is the Bosch 1617 EVS variable speed router. With a 2¼ horsepower 12-amp motor, this router can provide 8,000 to 25,000 RPM and tackle those tough routing applications and materials. Turn the speed up or down with the variable speed dial depending on the job at hand. This Bosch router is available with plunge and fixed bases. The fixed base has threaded holes to mount to a router table. The wide base opening and 2-inch subwoofer opening accepts larger bits, while the front spindle lock lets you easily and quickly change bits. Coarse and microfine adjustment knobs allow for versatile, precise depth adjustment. Soft start reduces startup torque, and constant response circuitry helps to maintain a constant speed under load while providing overload protection. Precision centering design makes it easy to keep the bit on the intended outline when using jigs, templates, dovetail fixtures, and other guidance devices. Right or left switch location allows for user preference and consistency so the motor doesn't rotate during depth adjustment. Contoured soft grip handles enhance comfort and control. So there you have it, the Bosch 1617 EVS variable speed router. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch power tools.